Hey everybody, it's Marty, the JavaScript party, and my buddy Rhett here. It is 8:07, March 25th, 10:25, or 3:25, um, 25. Wow, the 25th, third month of the 25th day of the 25th year. So that's neat. Anyways, yeah. So right now, I'm trying to basically write some code that's going to handle this layout so that these don't bleed off the edge here and they don't sit on top of each other. So I have this concept of a hash string. So basically, this service is going to maintain two hashes. The visualization hash value, so that's the current hash, and then rendered layout hash. That's the actual version that's been rendered. And so basically, in the animations, it will reset this anytime. It'll sync these up anytime it's made a change, and then it will know not to do anything unless there's been a change. Let's see, console log. I ended up calling sick yesterday. I just did not feel very well. And then today I'm definitely sleepy, but I'm feeling a lot better. So our hash has not changed. I believe if we do this, yeah, see, at first what we start to have is our hashes change every time we add a new item, and that's because this string, this JSON string of this data, has been modified. So if anything inside of this data changes whatsoever, then it will cause the hash to be broken. Probably want to pull this code out into its own because it's going to be reused by other systems. Uh, but value hash. So all this does is set the hash. So that'd probably be a good idea of just um, of just to call that in its own function. So let's see, hash. Let's see. I don't think this is going to return anything. I wonder if it needs. So viz width looks like it is. So I'm wondering. Okay, so. So okay, so I don't think it needs anything, but it does use the width and the height to set that. So you know what? Let's just copy this down here. And then we'll just say viz width, viz height. Height. And I don't know why it's complaining, but number. Okay, so the data. How do we get the data? Do we use it anywhere else? Oh, here it is. It doesn't look like we use data anywhere else, so let's go ahead and just move this up here. So log the data down here. Okay. I think that all should work fine. We should still have the same data and stuff. Yeah, so all this looks good. I don't see anything weird about it. Let's see. So line 93, that's this guy. And then viz, that's 53. Let's see. I am a bit overwhelmed with data, and like I said, I don't feel great. So let me remove some of this stuff. All right. So we got going in here. So we have all of our mapped calls, and then we have this. So this is in visualization service line 81. Looks like this one's doing us any good right now. Okay. So basically now in our animation service, what we want to do is we want to check to see if it's different. So okay. So once we get to this visualization hash value is equal to rendered value, once we've done it, we want to, okay. Okay. We'll put an else here. So if it doesn't match, so if we come here, that means we're skipping. We've skipped our visualization. What we want to see is a ton of these. And not many of these. Okay, so hopefully we see skipped a bunch of times and update only a few times. So yeah, it updated once. So basically all of these happened, right? So all of these things got changed. Here, let's say update 4. And then down here in this visualization, what I'm expecting to see is that this gets called a bunch of times. Setting hatch. So you know, hopefully what you understand is these all get called, and then the reason these take a while to get called is, and then it was skipped, right? So the screen actually attempted to draw, but there was nothing to draw. So then all these hashes got updated. So these all, okay, all of these calls happened. They were line 86. Um, line 86 of visualization service. Okay, so that's setting hash mapped. Okay, where does mapped come from? Visualization service, line 86. Oh, that's this guy. So yeah, so basically all of this runs before any of this, and that's because this is in a promise with a then. So then that's non-blocking, so it comes and it runs this, and that's how we get all these mapped. Then before even the very first promise comes back, um, then all of these are done, and then this one, then these get run, and these are the things that figure out if there's a hash change, and then it updated one time. So all these hashes changed, but it only updated one time for the screen. So there's a ton of work we're doing, but this is only being updated one time. So there's complete decoupling of the layout and all that then and the update. So we know that we want to update it. Now the thing is I don't remember. Let's see what our mapped is. Do we have our log? I don't think we've. Yeah, so our left hasn't been figured out, and we do need to add the rest of the information to the mapped screen. So got a couple of things to do. So here's our mapping. I think it's st right. Is equal to viz. Oh no, it's st top, I think. Okay, so what I need to do is and then split right, and then close this one, shrink that. Okay, so we want st top is equal to viz.st top, and we want st width equal to viz st width st height. There's just always so much to do, and st height. And what do we got? st render ID, we got that. Manual placement. Love you too. Oh, comma. All right, so now we have all of our data in there. None of it is accurate. Let's see. Visualization. Oh, so some of those, the width should be right. Let's look in here. Yep, our width is right. Our top is 0, our left is 0, our height is wrong. Where do I set the width is what I'm... Oh, there it is. Visually. Go to viz height. And then the left is the one, right? Let's see. I guess I should also do the manual placement. Make sure that that one is properly set. Let's just ignore manual placement for now. Then what I'm going to do is I want to figure out what my left should be. And I think in order to do that, I have to go through all of them. So it's already been added to the list because that's what happened here. So now we want to go over all of them and set their left side independently. And there's really no reason to do that in this function. I think that's going to so basically all this thing is going to do is iterate over each visualization and put the right left on them, and for now it's just going to add. So it's going to still bleed off the screen once it actually gets done. But we are getting close here. Okay, so this dot. Okay, so now I just want to see that all of my visualizations are to get a bunch of stuff in our console log this time. Yep, so here's where it's trying to calculate each left. Now as part of this, we can also get our index. So just for a quick and dirty one, which I'm probably not going to do today, but yeah, so those are indexes. So we can figure out our left by just saying like 0 times the width plus the left is the current value. 1 times the width times the length. I mean, that's not a great thing because I think we need like the previous one and all that. I don't know. So anyways, yeah, we have more information. We should be populating tomorrow. I should start populating these left positions, and then once this is populated, then we could probably start actually placing them. And then at least all the sort of architecture will be done for that, and hopefully we can start cooking with gas, as they like to say. Um, Anyways, everybody, happy coding. Bye.